Mr. Kyron's got the hiccups really bad, and I have to tape them.
Okay.
Number 6, Workshop 10 features exclusive tracks from
Yeah, Shane's got them.
Wolfmother, and
He's got the
all-new
hiccups.
recording People Have the Power. Workshop
Yeah.
10, available now wherever music is.
Except he doesn't put them on tight enough. Yeah.
My father tried to
Yeah.
solve my murder.
I like the look that he's got.
Okay, bye.